The art of toilet paper folding is an art that everyone should learn in order to ensure that the bathroom space looks tidy and organized. By taking some time to learn the proper ways to fold toilet paper, you can create a neat and visually appealing bathroom that reflects your personal style. Another great reason to invest time and energy into learning the art of toilet paper folding is that doing so can help save space in your bathroom. By folding larger rolls of toilet paper, you can reduce your usage of the shelf or cabinet dedicated to storing the paper, freeing up valuable space for it. Additionally, folding toilet paper can also be a great way to bring some personal flair into your bathroom. By folding your toilet paper into unique shapes or patterns, you can make your bathroom stand out and reflect your creative side.